not that good in dramatic roles, huh?
I don't know what
I like when I work Kodo.
Yeah, I like that one. That one looks good.
What was the other one?
Patch Adams.
No, with Al Pacino.